Some causes and influences of childhood obesity include a too sedentary diet, which means consuming foods with high amounts of calories and fats. It also means not consuming enough fruits, vegetables, and necessary nutrients. A sedentary lifestyle is also a cause of childhood obesity, which means there's no physical activity and no daily exercise. Genetics are also a cause. Some hereditary factors can influence the risk of vulnerability to obesity, but it is possible to counteract some of these gene-related obesity risks by exercising daily and eating right. The photo on the right shows different factors that can contribute to childhood obesity. Some include high-fat foods, playing video games, no action, and this can all lead to asthma, diabetes, coronary artery disease, pulmonary disease, high medical bills, and mortality.